Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. For now, I will be replacing this toilet bowl cover because the two tighteners at the back doesn't really tighten the bowl cover. So I got a replacement from Home Depot. I bought this one. I think this is better to tighten the back, okay, than by using this plastic thing here. You cannot really tighten this one. So what I've replaced is this portion here and this portion. I bought this one new from Home Depot. Oh, it matches. So but as you can see it, the bolt at the back is actually a metal thing. Okay, this is a metal thing, and it got washer. The old one, you cannot really tighten this one because a plastic when you try to tighten it, it will get loose in the long run. Okay, so I replaced this portion with this. Okay, because it is you can really tighten this one because it got a washer, and a metal to metal it doesn't go loose, but for a plastic to plastic, okay, no matter what you do, they will try to eat each other. Okay, I will try to install this one. So as soon as I install it, I will take another video. This is for now. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.